immerse yourself with the sound from Sudio. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Today, we will feature a personal audio device, true wireless earphones with active noise cancellation from Sudio. This video is in collaboration with Sudio. Sudio is a company that creates premium audio devices. As I am checking out their website, I can say that they present their products in a very elegant manner. You may check out their site if you are interested and curious as I am. But to best introduce Sudio to you is showcasing one of their products. Presenting to you the Sudio ETT. Sudio ETT is a pair of true wireless earphones. To start off, ito ang mga notable specs ng Sudio ETT earphones. Active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5, up to 30 hours playtime, 10-meter range, IPX5 water resistant, and this is priced at 6,200 pesos. And while watching, I would appreciate subscribing to this channel, Lanicom Views. The package I received was wrapped nicely. Nice touch on the packaging, looks premium. Kung tawagin nga nating mga Pinoy, may pagkasosyal. And now, tignan naman natin ang box. Sa harap, showing the picture of the pair of earphones and the brand name ETT. Presented simple and elegant. And now, let us unbox this. Let us check the content of the box. The box contains the charging case. Inside the case are the earphones, charging cable, Type-C, instruction manual, and 8 earbud tips. This is the Sudio ETT's charging case. It is matte in finish with engraved Sudio branding in front. It's quite small, making it handy. And there is a leather strap on the side. Possibly this is for you to hold on, but for me it serves as a design element, more on the aesthetics. Ang mayroon tayo ay ang black color, but mayroon ding available colors such as white, pink, green, and gray color. Charging port on the left side in USB-C, mayroon itong light indicator in front when the earphones are charging. This case can also be wirelessly charged. Great addition ito. And on the top is the lid opened like a treasure box. This box is used to charge the earphones and it can recharge the earphones for several times, giving you a total of 30 hours of playtime. And now let us go check out the earpiece. Huwag nating kalimutang tanggalin ang red tape for the earphones to charge. This earphone is the in-ear type. The tip can be changed using the 8 pairs included. Yes, 8 pairs. For sure, you can find one na compatible sa iyo and will give you the comfort as you place it in your ears. There are 5 pairs of parabolic ear tips. Mas wide siya and hindi masyadong protruding inside the ears. And there are 3 cone tips na mas malalim ang pasok nito, giving more additional sealing sa ating mga ears. There is a button here and a short stem. This pair is rated IPX5, so it is resistant to sweat and water. Best if you are using it on your workouts. It can receive up to 10 meters from the audio source. This is considered na walang blockage or walls. Ito din ay may microphone so you can use it in calls, video conferences, and also for video recording. Let me describe to you the sound. I will try to give a description the best way that I can. I am using these earphones for quite a while, using the ear tips that best suit me. I will try to give a rating for each level. For bass and lows, 7 out of 10. For mids, 7 out of 10. For treble, 7 out of 10. For clarity, 8 out of 10. And for loudness, 6 out of 10. Overall, I can say that this is a well-balanced one. Napansin niyo, I gave the same value on low, mid, and high. Not too overproduced ang bass and treble level. More natural ang sound niya. This earphone is good for its clarity. You can hear small details in a well-balanced manner. Stereo separation is quite good too. As mentioned earlier, ETT is using noise-canceling technology. You can hear the music or sound with clarity even in noisy environment. It helps in canceling out external sounds like car engine noise, rustling sound ng mga nagwawalis sa kalsada, parking dogs, or even mga chismosa. It helps. Ito din ay may transparency mode. Para saan ito? It automatically activates during calls so you can somehow hear your voice when you are speaking. May iwasan na sumisigaw ka while talking. When it comes to loudness, with volume level set to maximum, it is not as blasting as other produce, just enough that the ears can bear. It is using Bluetooth 5.0 so it has higher transfer speed, meaning less latency or ibig sabihin hindi masyadong delay ang sound mula sa source. When it comes to its microphone, here is a sample recording using the microphone of this Sudio ETT. This is the microphone sample of the Sudio ETT. And to test this more, let me share a quote to you. Do you not know that in a race all runners run, but only one receives the prize? So run that you may obtain it. This is from 1 Corinthians 9 verse 24. For battery life, 30 hours using the charging compartment. You can continually use the earphones listening to music or taking calls, approximately 5 hours on a single charge from the case. Once ANC is active, it will lower the 30 hours to approximately 20 hours. There are 4 LED charging indicators in the case. It displays the charging level of the case, 25, 50, 75, or 100%, and glows when the earphones are currently charging. Sudio has a wireless charger called LAD+. With this one, just lay your ETT earphones case to charge. For controls, you can use these buttons. Hold for 2 seconds to activate ANC or active noise cancelling, 1 click to play or pause, 2 clicks for next song, and 3 clicks for previous song. During calls, 1 click to answer and hang up. Hold 2 seconds to drop a ringing call. No volume control here. This is also easy to pair. Just look it up on your device's Bluetooth settings and look for Sudio ETT. Ang wireless earphones ay isang personal accessory. It is attached to you and it is attached to a device that accompanies you on your daily communication needs. You may find Sudio ETT suitable as your daily earbuddy. Interested in getting one? You may purchase Sudio ETT at www.sudio.com/ph or you may check out the link in the description. Sudio ETT is priced at 6,200 pesos. For a period of time, you will get a free Sudio X Andrea Mac tote bag for every purchase of Sudio earphones. Then to pass on the privilege of a discount, use the discount code LANICOMXSUDIO. This is a 15% discount valid on your purchase. And also, you might be interested on the wireless charger. You may get a 50% off on the LAD Plus wireless charger when buying ETT earphones. It can charge your Sudio ETT and even your phone. You will also get 3 years of warranty. That is quite lengthy for a warranty when you register your product. Check out www.sudio.com/ph for more details about Sudio, Andrea Mac collaboration, and other products. To conclude this video, ano ba mga nagustuhan ko with the Sudio ETT? I have several to mention. First, it gives a great well-balanced sound. I enjoyed my music listening time with this one. Second, it gives me options on a wide array of ear tip sizes. My ear is sensitive to in-ear type of earphones and I found a match. It has great microphones, lengthy battery life. I really like the overall trendy design. That is it. This is the Sudio ETT. Please share your thoughts and views about this gadget. Comment kayo and pag-usapan natin ang mga views ninyo and learn from each other. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Hanggang sa muli! Please subscribe to Lanicom Views. Follow nyo din sa FB, Twitter, and Instagram ang Lanicom Views. Salamat! Hanggang sa muli!